If you're new to 3D printing and want to learn quickly while earning a ton of CEUs, if you're a clinician, and a certificate of proficiency in 3D printing, if you're a technician, then go to our website at 3d-oandp.com and sign up for our 5-day course in beautiful Prescott, Arizona. In this 5-day course, you'll be printing something every day. Half your day is in class, and half your day is in lab for the first 3 days. The 4th day is a practicum, where you will scan a transtibial amputee, modify them, slice them, print them, then fit them in a static alignment, and then we'll show you multiple ways to post-process for maximum strength. One way is by using our rapid wrap system that uses UV cure light to give your diagnostics that definitive look, with a focus on being quick and inexpensive. The 5th day is the remaining fittings and the final test. We'll make sure you leave confident and certified in 3D printing. What's in Arizona anyway? Your trip to our 3D printing school in Prescott, Arizona, located at the heart and most central part of Arizona, could be the nucleus to a fabulous Southwest vacation. Depending on the time of year that you attend, Arizona can provide activities sure to please you and your family. Located at the center of our state is Prescott, Arizona. Special room rates are available at the Bucky Casino Resort, and if you're here in the summertime, you can see the world's oldest rodeo. But if you choose to come in the wintertime, it's just an hour and 45-minute drive to Flagstaff, Arizona and the Snow Bowl Resort with very challenging slopes. And there's never a bad time of the year to visit Sedona, Arizona. People visit there and intend to move there. One of the most beautiful places on earth. And just a 20-minute drive east of Flagstaff, Arizona is the world-famous Meteor Crater. And you could also go stand on the corner in Winslow, Arizona, where there's a tribute to the Eagle song. And if you're into cliff dwellings, Montezuma's Castle is just a very short drive from Prescott, Arizona. And there's not too many states that can boast one of the 7 wonders of the world. A trip to the Grand Canyon will complete any vacation itinerary. If you haven't been, you have got to go. Before or after a trip to the Grand Canyon, Antelope Canyon is very accessible. And it has another attribute. It's located so close to Horseshoe Bend, you can see both of these natural phenomena in the same morning. Both are carved from the same forces. Come see how beautiful erosion can be. Years ago, the original London Bridge was disassembled and moved to Lake Havasu, Arizona. Why? Because there's a million things to do there. Whether you want a good dam vacation or a damn good vacation, the Hoover Dam offers tours deep in the bowels of this structure that are sure to please. Many of you coming to our course are going to make connecting flights in Las Vegas. No instructions needed. If you do it there, leave it there. Hey man, I don't make the rules. Those of you that have connecting flights through Phoenix have a plethora of activities to enjoy. We will always schedule our classes around golf and golf activities to include the Waste Management Open. But there's also Arizona Cardinals football, Phoenix Suns basketball. If you're a hockey fan, Phoenix Coyotes, and in the summertime, my favorite, Diamondbacks baseball. We want you to come see us in Prescott, Arizona. Get your certification in 3D printing, a ton of CEUs, have an absolute ball while you're doing it, and for some of you, have a very rare vacation write-off. We're holding you a spot.